Okay, so now that you have created a scenario with your linear relationship between your two variables, you are going to go ahead and do the same thing we did before, where we're going to create a data table. So for my example, I did TV shows and I made it my relationship. For every 30 minutes of TV I watch, I will do 5 minutes of exercise. So in my data table, I have two relationships. So on page 5 of your notebook, underneath your linear relationship notes, go ahead and write scenario data table. You can pause the video while you do that and then keep on going when you're finished. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a table. And similar to the recipe example where we had two ingredients, we're going to have a table for our two variables. So for me, we're going to go ahead and do 2 rows and 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my input is TV watching in minutes. And my output is exercise, also in minutes. Right? So for every 30 minutes, I'm going to put 30 minutes right. I'm going to do it every 10 minutes for me. Now this one depends on you, but feel free to include what minutes make sense or what unit makes sense for your table. But I want at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points, right? So 9 different inputs and 9 different outputs. So for me, every 30 minutes of TV means I have to exercise for 5 minutes. So it means that a third of that, right? So 10 minutes is a third of 30. I would have to only do 5 divided by 3 minutes of exercise, which is about 1.67 minutes. So this is approximately equal to approximately, doesn't look like it's showing up here. So let me do insert equation. And the approximate symbol is right here. So 5/3 is about 1.67 minutes. So if I did 10 minutes of TV watching, I would have to do about a minute and 1.67 minutes. If I did 20, so 20 is 2/3 of 30 minutes, right? I'd have to do 2/3 of 5 minutes, which is about 2/3 of 5, which is about times 5. It's about 3.33 minutes. So if you are having trouble with this, you're not quite sure how to figure out your output given some input, you can come ask me in workshop or message me. But I'm going to go ahead and keep going, right? So 60 is twice 30 minutes. So I'd have to do twice as much exercise, right? 40 minutes is 1 1/3, so 1 whole 30 minutes, and then plus another 1/3 of 5 minutes, which is about 6.67 minutes, and so on. So depending on your data, you're going to go ahead and complete your data table. Again, the inputs are dependent on you, right? Whatever your variable was, choose the numbers that make sense, and then whatever your output is, you will arrive at given the rule you decided. So My description for my scenario, just to make it clear, is for every 30 minutes of TV, I will do 5 minutes of exercise. So go ahead, write down your scenario and create a data table for your topic of this week. When you're finished, take a picture and then upload it on Dreamseedo.